Even a small balcony can shine bright during Christmas. With a little creativity, you can turn your outdoor space into a festive retreat full of lights, warmth, and seasonal charm. Whether you live in an apartment or condo, balcony Christmas decor brings holiday cheer to any height. Let's explore ideas to make your balcony glow with Christmas magic. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a creative DIY idea for balconies? Make your own snowflake garlands, painted signs, or mason jar lanterns. Simple handmade decor adds heart and uniqueness to your setup. DIY done? Like this if your crafts bring joy to your balcony. What lighting works best for balconies? Use fairy lights, icicle strands, or curtain lights. Wrap them around railings or hang them overhead to create a cozy and enchanting atmosphere. Lights glowing? Like this if your balcony twinkles with cheer. Can I include a small Christmas tree? Absolutely. Choose a mini tree for a cozy corner. Decorate it with small ornaments, lights, and a star topper for a perfect festive centerpiece. Tree trimmed? Like this if your balcony tree steals the show. What about safety for outdoor decor? Use waterproof lights and battery-operated candles. Secure items with clips or zip ties so they stay in place through wind and winter weather. Safety checked? Like this if your setup glows securely. What about decorating the railing? Wrap railings with lights, evergreen garlands, or bows. Add ornaments or hanging stars to draw attention and create a stunning outdoor display. Railing radiant? Like this if your balcony edge shines bright. Can I add a festive floor touch? Use a weather-resistant rug or layer faux snow. Place gift boxes or baskets of pine cones to fill empty space and make it feel more festive. Floor festive? Like this if your base decor feels complete. How do I start decorating my balcony? Begin with a theme, classic red and green, winter white, or metallic glam. Choose a consistent color scheme to make your balcony look polished and cohesive. Theme picked? Like this if your balcony is ready to sparkle. How do I make a small balcony look spacious? Keep decorations light and vertical. Use hanging lights or wall-mounted pieces. Avoid clutter to maintain comfort while keeping it festive. Space maximized? Like this if your balcony feels bright and airy. How do I add seating to the decor? Include comfy chairs or a bench with plaid blankets and holiday pillows. Add lanterns or candles for a warm, intimate glow on chilly nights. Seating set? Like this if your balcony feels cozy and inviting. How can I use greenery effectively? Add garlands, wreaths, or potted evergreens. Tuck in pine cones, berries, or ribbon for a natural yet festive touch that feels fresh and inviting. Greenery lush? Like this if your balcony feels like a winter garden. How can I use ornaments outdoors? Hang shatterproof ornaments on trees, garlands, or strings across the ceiling. Reflective finishes add sparkle and catch the glow of nearby lights. Ornaments shining, like this if your decor sparkles day and night. How can I add a magical finishing touch? Top it off with a glowing star, string of bells, or a wreath on the door. Add soft music or a hot cocoa corner for that final cozy holiday vibe. Magic complete? Like this if your balcony sparkles with joy.